Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone GPS not working. But first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is restart your iPhone. To do this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. Next, slide to power off, wait for some time and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. The next step is turn on location services. For this, launch the settings app. Scroll down and then select privacy and security. Tap on it, then tap on location services at the top. Turn on location services. Scroll down and select location tracking apps like Google Maps or Apple Maps. Tap on it. Select the location access to while using the apps or widgets. And also toggle on the precise location. Once you have made the necessary changes, the GPS should work accurately on your iPhone. If not, proceed with the next steps and you are done. And the next step is check date and time zone settings. Go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Next, tap on date and time option. Make sure your device is using the correct time and set automatically is enabled and you are done. And the next step is enable compass calibration. For this, open the settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and then tap on privacy and security. Next, tap on location services at the top. Now scroll down to the bottom and then tap on system services. Next, tap on compass calibration toggle button to enable it and you are done. And the next step is put your iPhone in airplane mode. For this, summon the control center on your iPhone and then tap the airplane mode icon. Next, wait for few seconds and disable the same. Put the iPhone in airplane mode. This simple technique can help reset the GPS signals on your iPhone and allow it to reconnect with the satellites in a more efficient manner. It should solve your problem without any hassle and you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone. Check for updates. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general. Next, tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS and you are done. If something doesn't work right, it's best to reset it and start it up from scratch. Launch the settings app, scroll down and go to general menu, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Next, select reset and then choose reset location and privacy. Enter your device passcode and then tap reset settings to conclude the process and you are done. Next step is reset network settings. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset. This time choose reset network settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode. Follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings and you are done. And the next step is reset your iPhone. However, first ensure that you have backup any important data on your iPhone. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Next, tap on erase all content and settings and then tap on continue and then tap on erase iPhone. Once set and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of iPhone GPS not working, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.